This is TJ. In this video I'm going to quickly be going over 5 programs that are great video editing tools that you can download and use on your computer. These programs are Avidemux, Lightworks, Kdenlive, OpenShot, and Cinelera. All of these programs are completely free to download and use for both personal and commercial use. They are also all open source software, and if you want to download them and try them out for yourself, you can find download links at my website, tjfree.com. This first program, Avidemux, all of these programs are video editors. They all accomplish pretty much the same goal. But Avidemux is the first video editor we're going to look at. It works on Windows, Linux, and Macintosh. It's great for encoding, so you choose the video output, the video container, as well as the audio container, and then the entire video format. You can do editing. It'll show you this is the input file. This here is the sample output file. It'll let you apply different filters and effects, and it has different ones for colors. You can change the actual size, transform, and resize, and change the size of the picture. It has some miscellaneous effects, like I'll add a whirl here, and we can preview and see how that effect will look on our video. So it allows you to do effects and alter and modify the video, and then we can see how our input and output file changes on this. You can also use this scroll bar here to quickly fast forward, change the frame rate. So lots of different things you can do, but it's still a pretty simple tool. This next one, Lightworks, has been used. It's recently been open sourced. It was used to make Hollywood videos, like Pulp Fiction was actually edited and put together using this software, Lightworks. It's now been released as an open source software, and it's great for editing, for doing large and complex projects. You can also add different effects, like if I drag and drop this negative effect here, it makes the whole screen negative, this entire clip I'm working with, which is actually, this is the Transformers, the movie, the animated movie. Yeah, I don't know, this is a very, very complex program. You can do a lot of cool stuff with it. I'm just showing you just a little teaser example. This next one, Kdenlive, I'm going to show you in a virtual Linux machine that I have pulled up here right now. And it's got a pretty similar interface to this program here, Windows Movie Maker. If you've used that one, Live Movie Maker, it has tracks at the bottom. You can add audio tracks and video. I'll show you this one I have made up here. Let me turn the volume up so you can hear. And so it's showing us this playhead showing us the video clip. I've got some still shots in here, and then we can also add, if I want to add like this old film grain, I can add this to this airplane clip. We can find some more effects, like if I want to drag and drop under miscellaneous, if we do, I don't know, just get some random ones here. And we'll go, oh yeah, cartoon's a good one. Where'd that go? Oh, here it is, cartoon. So if we add cartoon to this Jeep, we see it'll change the Jeep to a cartoon, or we could have done that on the video as well. And then if we play this, it should look a little bit different. So it looks like it's flashing like it's an older clip, and it's being a little bit laggy because it's kind of doing it on the fly. Yeah, it's kind of slowing down a bit. This virtual machine of mine, this virtual Linux machine, has like 1 gig of RAM, so it's kind of pushing it to the limits. But anyway, that's the program, Kdenlive. And if we look at this other one, OpenShot is the next one. OpenShot. We'll pull it back up here. This looks pretty similar to Kdenlive. Also has tracks so we can drag and drop. I've already put in my the video or the different clips I want to use, and I can drag and drop them. It has auto snapping together, so you get them within where you think they're supposed to be. Then I can get an audio track, and we'll play this video clip. Okay, so that's that. You can also apply different effects and transitions. You can do brightness, and you can change how that is. You can apply different, like an echo effect to the audio if we want to. What else? We can invert the colors on this tooth if we want to. Did that do it? Anyway, you can add different effects onto here. So then, this last program I want to show you, Cinelera, and Cinelera. Go back into here. It's pretty cool too. Let's get all my windows open up here. So it will let you also, you can apply effects. Yeah, I apologize, this is being really laggy, so you're not getting the full effect, but when you're doing it on your own computer, it won't be so laggy. I'm trying to do too much stuff at once. Anyway, you can select and do different things. It's got all kinds of different effects you can add if you want to do. You can flip the image, drag it into there. You can, yeah, all different kinds of effects. Oops, there it is. Scroll over. I don't think this is going to let me get back and play it, but oh, you know what? I dragged. Yeah. Anyway, you can see it's got some potential. It is a good program, and you can import, export in lots of different formats. So I'll just minimize this whole window. Yeah, those are the programs, and then this last one. I guess I'll just show you. This actually is a freeware. They released it as a free program, Windows Live Movie Maker. It comes with Windows, but it's a good solution too if you're wanting to put together some pictures with some music and some video clips as well. It doesn't give you as much control as these programs do as far as effects and complete control over the output format especially, and formats you can work with. Anyway, great video editing tools. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Check out some of my other ones. I do 2D animation videos of free software and 3D animation programs and graphic design, things like that you might be interested in. So go ahead and check those out and rate this video if you enjoyed it. If you didn't, don't bother. And hope you have a nice day. Take care.